Hi guys, it's me Annie and I'm back with another video. Welcome to Annie's Creations. Today I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to be cooking a crock pot meal that's very simple and very easy, and it takes minimal effort. I'm doing this crock pot meal because it's so flavorsome and so delicious, and you don't have to stand cooking in the kitchen for hours. So this is just saving my energy and still putting a very decent meal on the table. Today I'll be making a garlic honey soy chicken for our dinner tonight, and I'm going to serve this with rice and a side of salad. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl you are going to add 1 cup of soy sauce, then you want to add 1 cup of tomato sauce or ketchup, now you want to add half a cup of honey. To that you want to add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. You can add 4 to 6 cloves of garlic that you crush yourself, but I'm going to use the jar garlic today. Then you want to add 2 teaspoons of dried basil. Now I will just whisk this up. Get it nice and combined. Now your sauce is nicely mixed and ready. I have my crock pot here, and to my crock pot I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs. That's about 700 to 800 grams of chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breast for this recipe, but I like the chicken thighs because I feel it stays more juicy at the end. So I'll just put my chicken thighs at the bottom of my crock pot. And now we are ready to add the sauce that we just made. Give it a quick whisk again, and you are going to pour this sauce all over the chicken. And just make sure the chicken is nicely coated, and just move it about so the sauce moves to the bottom of the crock pot as well, and place on your lid, and you can cook this on low for 6 to 7 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Just make sure your chicken is fully cooked through because every crock pot is different. It's been 6 hours and I cooked the chicken on low, and look at what we've got. This chicken looks so delicious. This is going to be most delicious chicken for our dinner tonight. We are having honey garlic crock pot chicken thighs on rice with a side of salad tonight. Let's dish this up. I dished up the honey garlic chicken thigh with some rice and a side of salad. I also put some of the sauce on the rice. It's so delicious. And we are going to have a lovely meal tonight. So guys, this is all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching my video. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.